Today I'm going to show you how you can turn these skins into banana peel powder. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Alex, and if you like gardening, horticulture, DIY and general self-sufficiency, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single thing. Today we're going to be making banana peel powder from our leftover banana skins. This will provide us with a nice dry and storable organic potassium-based fertilizer that we can use as a topsoil in our potted plants or in our raised garden beds, or mix it directly into the soil in small quantities. So what else are you going to need apart from a whole bunch of banana skins? You're going to need an electronic coffee blender. I got this from Aldi. Sometimes they sell them in Lidl also. If you can't be bothered to go looking for one, check the links in the description. I've got some Amazon links to a couple of coffee blenders that are fairly priced and they'll get the job done. It's really worth having because we can use it for many things. In the future I'll be showing you how you can make your own chili powder that lasts for years and preserves the flavour, the taste. It's beautiful. So in the meanwhile, until you get your blender, start saving up your skins. You know how to eat a banana. Unless you need a quick tutorial, you just peel your banana like this. It's gone all soft because I've done 100 takes. I've been holding this banana for like half an hour. Break your banana skin into little strips like that. It'll help it dry out a lot quicker. So lay your banana skins out to dry in a nice sunny warm location. It could take a few days to a week or two depending on where you're living in the world. So if you're living in a country where it just doesn't get hot enough, maybe it's raining all the time, you can leave them in a nice dry place in the house, maybe your boiler room on a little grid so that they get aired, and try and get as much moisture out as possible. When they're as dry as possible, then you can stick them in your oven with the fan on at 60 degrees for about 4-5 hours, and that should just crisp them up a little bit. So the next bit now is we want to start chopping up our banana skins. We chop it into little chunks and that will make it easier for the blender to do its job. So now we want to fill our coffee grinder up. Get some more in there. Alright, so there, job done. If you're wanting it more powdered than this, then get them even more crispy. Put them in the oven until they crisp up a bit at 60 degrees. It's not worth it though, I don't think you need it. It's powdery enough, it's broken down really tiny, and this will help it break down into your soil much quicker. These are the fibrous little bits. If you don't want them in there because it don't look so nice, then don't use that part of the banana. That's where all that fibres come from, but you know, that's going to feed up the soil microorganisms and stuff like that, so you know, I'm not wasting anything. So now you've got your banana peel powder all stored ready for use. If you want to know how you can make 5 top organic fertilizers completely for free, then make sure you hit that link right there on your right. Guys, thanks for watching. It's been a good laugh. Make sure you give it a good big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Guys, looking forward to seeing you again next time.